Audio delay in VLC usually happens because the audio stream and video stream are not being processed at exactly the same speed. The delay could also come from a file, your playback settings, your audio device, or VLC itself. In practice, the fix is to first confirm whether the problem affects one file or every file, then correct the timing with VLC's sync controls, and finally check settings or hardware if the issue keeps returning. There are several common causes for the audio delay. A video file may already contain imperfect timing, so VLC is only revealing a problem that is inside the media itself rather than creating it. VLC settings can also drift from normal values, especially if audio synchronization was changed before or if preferences became corrupted. External factors matter too, such as Bluetooth audio latency, audio enhancements, output module choices, driver issues, or hardware acceleration settings that affect playback timing. Here are the steps on how to fix the problem. Check the problem first. Open VLC and play the video that has the delay. Watch and listen for a few seconds so you can tell which one is happening: audio coming too early or audio coming too late. If the problem appears only in one file, the file itself is more likely the cause. If it happens in many files, the issue is more likely in VLC or your system audio setup. While the video is playing, use VLC's keyboard shortcuts to shift audio timing in real time. On many systems, pressing K increases the delay and pressing J decreases it, with each press changing the timing by about 50 milliseconds. On some versions or platforms, the shortcut letters may differ, but the idea is the same. One key makes audio later, the other makes it earlier. If the audio is behind the video, press the shortcut that moves it earlier. If the audio is ahead of the video, press the shortcut that delays it. Make one press, then watch a short spoken scene again, because small changes are easier to judge than large ones. Repeat in small steps until lips and sound match naturally. For a longer-lasting change, open VLC's menu and go to Tools, then Track Synchronization. In the audio synchronization area, adjust the delay value until the sound lines up correctly with the video. Positive values delay the audio, while negative values make it play earlier. Close VLC, reopen the same file, and confirm that the timing still looks correct. Reset or refresh VLC. If timing problems continue, reset VLC preferences so you can remove any broken or unusual setting values. After resetting, test the same file again before changing anything else. If needed, update VLC to the latest version, because playback bugs and sync issues can sometimes be fixed in newer releases. If nothing improves, reinstall VLC from the official source and test again after.
Simply click the link below to learn more.